The Office of the Superintendent of Fisheries, Bhoi district organized a fingerling stocking and community awareness program today at Maulandep village as part of the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana for 2023-24. Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi district, attended the event as the chief guest alongside IT Maulong, Director and Joint Secretary in charge of the Fisheries Department. A total of 4 lakh fish seeds were released into the Ummia. In his address, Baranwal emphasized the initiative's broader impact, stating that they are not only targeting a substantial annual income of rupees 6 lakhs for the 150 fishing families dependent on the reservoir, but they are also committed to developing a sustainable ecosystem.
Not only we are targeting a substantial income of rupees 6 lakh per annum for the 150 fishermen families which are dependent on this reservoir, but simultaneously, as I was going through a discussion, an entire ecosystem is going to be developed in this area for the benefit of these four villages which are directly dependent and the 11 villages which are in the vicinity, which will take care of the entire end-to-end solution for the fisheries.
The Lower Mankara Secondary